दिस इज अमृता, यू आर वॉचिंग लेट्स एक्सेल टुगेदर। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स जो कि स्पेलिंग तो सेम होता है बट द साउंड एंड द प्रोनाउंसिएशन चेंजेस। लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वर्ड। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज TEAR. That is, as a noun, TEAR is pronounced as tears. Tears. That means आंसू. Okay? Tears comes out from your eyes when you are sad. So it is pronounced as tear. Another pronunciation of the same word, that is TEAR, is tear. Tear. Tear means farna. Don't tear the page from your notebook. Don't tear it. So let's discuss the second word. The second word is MINUTE. That is minute. We all know that. That expresses time. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay? So that is minute. But the same spelling has this different pronunciation. That is MINUTE is also pronounced as minute. The moment it is pronounced as minute, the meaning changes. Minute means very small. You can't see minute insects with your bare eyes. So, MINUTE is minute and minute. Minute expresses time. Minute, that is very small. Minute things. Okay? Another word, the third word, which we are going to discuss is WIND. What is that? WIND is wind. The wind is blowing, hawa. But it is also pronounced as WIND. That is wind. Wind up the class. That means to end the class. Khatm karna. I'm going to wind up the class within 5 minutes. So guys, remember, TEAR, the sound is tear or tear. MINUTE is either minute or minute. Third one is WIND is wind and wind up. Hope you all liked it. If you liked it, do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.